ChatGPT. Explained: what it is, how it works, and what you can do with it. Artificial intelligence has moved from the realm of science fiction into our everyday lives, shaping the way we work, learn, and communicate. One of the most talked about AI innovations today is ChatGPT. This technology has captured global attention for its ability to generate human-like conversation, solve problems, and assist in countless tasks. Yet, despite its popularity, many people still struggle to fully understand what ChatGPT is, how it works, and why it has become such an indispensable tool. In this article, we will break down everything you need to know about ChatGPT, exploring its origins, functionality, practical applications, and the implications for the future. Understanding ChatGPT. The basics. At its core, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model created by OpenAI. A language model is a type of AI designed to understand and generate human language. Unlike traditional software, which operates based on fixed rules, ChatGPT uses patterns in language learned from extensive datasets to predict and produce text that sounds natural. Essentially, it can simulate human conversation and generate responses that are coherent, informative, and often impressively accurate. ChatGPT is not a conscious being. It does not think, feel, or have awareness. Instead, it analyzes input text, interprets context, and predicts a response based on probability. Its ability to mimic understanding comes from processing massive amounts of text from books, websites, and articles, allowing it to recognize patterns in grammar, phrasing, and common knowledge. This capability enables ChatGPT to respond to a wide range of topics, from science and technology to art and literature. How ChatGPT works behind the scenes. Understanding the inner workings of ChatGPT can seem complicated, but the concept can be simplified. The model is built on what is called a transformer-based neural network, a sophisticated architecture designed to process language in context. Unlike older models that read text sequentially, transformers can analyze all words in a sentence simultaneously. This allows the AI to understand relationships between words, detect nuances, and maintain consistency throughout a conversation. When you type a prompt or question, ChatGPT doesn't know the answer in the human sense. Instead, it predicts the most likely next word or phrase based on patterns it learned during training. It generates text one token at a time. A token can be a word, part of a word, or even punctuation, constructing sentences that feel natural. While this sounds simple, it is backed by billions of parameters, essentially knobs and dials the AI uses to refine its predictions and responses. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT's responses are probabilistic. Sometimes it may generate inaccurate or outdated information. It does not fact-check itself in real time, and it relies entirely on the data it has been trained on. This is why critical thinking and human verification remain essential when using AI tools for decision-making. Practical uses. One of the reasons ChatGPT has gained widespread attention is its versatility. Individuals, students, professionals, and businesses use it for a variety of purposes. Students often rely on ChatGPT to understand complex concepts, summarize readings, or improve their writing. For instance, a student struggling with a difficult math explanation or historical event can ask ChatGPT to break it down in simpler terms. The AI can also help generate essay ideas or provide examples for creative writing assignments. Professionals across industries are finding ChatGPT useful for improving productivity. It can draft emails, create reports, and assist in brainstorming sessions. Marketers use it to generate advertising copy, social media content, and blog outlines. Entrepreneurs rely on it to explore new business ideas, streamline processes, and even assist in coding and product development. Content creators also find value in ChatGPT. Writers, video producers, and social media managers can use it to generate scripts, captions, or video descriptions quickly. This saves time on repetitive or time-consuming tasks, allowing creators to focus on refining and personalizing the content rather than starting from scratch. ChatGPT in education and learning. One of the most significant impacts of ChatGPT is in the field of education. The AI can function as a personal tutor, explaining complex topics in an accessible language. For example, a student learning physics can ask ChatGPT to explain quantum mechanics in simple terms, or a language learner can practice writing sentences and receive immediate feedback. This interactive approach allows learners to ask follow-up questions and clarify concepts, creating a more personalized learning experience than traditional methods. However, it's crucial to use ChatGPT as a supplement rather than a replacement for studying. Relying solely on AI for learning can reduce critical thinking and the ability to analyze information independently. Limitations and risks. Despite its impressive capabilities, ChatGPT is not infallible. The model can sometimes generate incorrect or misleading information. Because it does not understand truth or context like a human, it may produce responses that are factually inaccurate but presented confidently. This phenomenon is often called hallucination in AI terminology. Bias is another concern. Since ChatGPT is trained on human-generated text, it can unintentionally reflect the biases present in the training data. OpenAI has implemented safeguards to minimize harmful or offensive outputs, but users should remain vigilant and critically evaluate the responses. Additionally, privacy is a consideration. Conversations with AI may be logged for research and improvement purposes, so sensitive personal information should not be shared. The future of ChatGPT and AI technology. The potential of ChatGPT extends far beyond simple text responses. As AI technology evolves, future iterations are likely to be more context-aware, capable of deeper personalization, and integrated across various applications, from business management and customer service to virtual reality and immersive learning. Businesses are already experimenting with AI chatbots for customer support, data analysis, and marketing automation. Creative industries are exploring AI-assisted storytelling, music composition, and digital art. Even healthcare and scientific research are seeing applications in which AI models like ChatGPT assist with data analysis and knowledge synthesis. Why ChatGPT matters. And that's a wrap on everything you need to know about ChatGPT, what it is, how it works, and the amazing ways you can use it in your daily life. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about AI, ChatGPT has the power to save time, spark creativity, and help you learn faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights on AI, technology, and innovation, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. Share in the comments how you're using ChatGPT or what you're most excited to try with AI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.